Hello children, welcome you all for the 6th standard English second language class. Today we are going to learn a new poem, The Way to Succeed. Are you all ready for that? Yes, I know you are all very interested to learn the poem. Yes. Before going to the poem, let us sing a song. Before going to this, shall we sing in Kannada? ಹಾಡೋಣ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಸ್. ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು ಒಂದು ದಿನ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಛಲವಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಲವಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆವು ಒಂದು ದಿನ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. Now we can sing it in Hindi. होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, अब होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. Yes, it is in Hindi. Now it is in English. We are going to sing now. This is the song. Come on, all together. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. Yes, did you all enjoy this song? Yes, I know you like songs very much. Poem now. Before that, shall we see some pictures? See here. Somebody is climbing the mountain. Here, someone is climbing the mountain covered with the snow. It is more difficult to do all these difficult works. How to succeed? SUCCEED. What is meant by succeed? Shall we see? Yes. To have a good or favorable result. Good result or a favorable result we should have. That is called succeed. Yes, succeed ಅಂದರೆ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಗೋದು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಗೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು succeed ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. See here. After swimming, she is telling, I won it. ನಾನು ಗೆದ್ದೆ, I succeed. One who succeed in life have to work hard. Yes, children, you can copy down this. Shall we move? Yes. MIGHT. What is this? Might. What is meant by might? Strength or force. Strength, bala. Strength or force is called might. See here. Wow, what a ferocious lion it is. Very strengthy lion, isn't it? See here. She is showing her strength. We can say, lion has might to catch the prey. Come on, take down this. The next word is strike. What is meant by strike? To hit with the hand or a weapon. With a weapon or with a hand, hitting is called strike. Strike ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವೆಪನಿಂದ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕೈಲಿಂದ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಹೊಡೆಯೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See here, striking the nail with a hammer. See, he is striking the nail to the wall with a hammer. We can say a man is striking the nail. You can take down this. The next one is gaze. What is meant by gaze? ಏನು gaze ಅಂದರೆ long steady look. Long steady look. What is that? See, the man, maybe he is a farmer sitting in his land, dry land. He is gazing at the sky. For what? Let us see. The farmer is gazing at the sky, hoping for rain. ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೋಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು he is gazing at the sky. Gazing. ದಿಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋದು. These are all the new words which you are going to have in your new poem, The Way to Succeed. We have to know something about the poet. Who is the poet? Yes, he is the poet who wrote the poem, The Way to Succeed. The poet is Reverend Norman MacLeod. He is a Scottish poet. His time was 3rd June 1812 to 16th June 1872. He was a Scottish clergyman and author. He was a clergyman and also author. He was a religious man who is preaching the religion. He is called religious man and was largely instrumental in the work of strengthening the Scottish church. Because he is a clergyman, because he is a religious man, he worked hard to strengthening the Scottish church. ಪಾದ್ರಿ, ಚರ್ಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾದ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಗುರು. That is called clergyman, religious man, and also he is a author. He is a poet. He wrote many books. One of the poem is given to you, that is The Way to Succeed. Come on, let us see the poem. What is there in it? What is the poem? The Way to Succeed. Children, I hope you have all opened the textbook. Page number 110, 110. Are you ready? Yes. See, this is the poem. First, I will recite the poem for you. What you should do? Yes, you have to listen carefully. When second time I will recite, you can also join and recite with me. Okay? Yes, come on. Drive the nail right, boys. Hit it on the head. Strike with all your might, boys, while the iron is red. When you have work to do, boys, do it with a will. They who reach the top, boys, first must climb the hill. Standing at the foot, boys, gazing at the sky. How can you get up, boys, if you never try? Though you stumble oft, boys, never be downcast. Try and try again, boys, you will succeed at last. Did you enjoy it? Yes, come on, let us sing together. Drive the nail right, boys, hit it on the head. Strike with all your might, boys, while the iron is red. When you have work to do, boys, do it with a will. They who reach the top, boys, first must climb the hill. Standing at the foot, boys, gazing at the sky. How can you get up, boys, if you never try? Though you stumble oft, boys, never be downcast. Try and try again, boys, you will succeed at last. Yes, children, did you all enjoy the rhyme? Singing the rhyme? Yes. Let us know the summary of the poem. What is the meaning in it? Yes. See here. If you want to fix a nail to the wall or somewhere else, you have to hit it on the head. Hit it on the head. Then only it will fix. When we strike the iron, when it is red and hot, then only it will bend. Otherwise, it may not. It will not. That means if we want to work, if we don't stay focused on our work, that means we have to concentrate on our work. We have to give concentration on our work, and if we miss the opportunity, we might not get again, or we may lose it, we might fail at it. See here, she is climbing the hill, isn't it? She has to start. When you have work to do, it must be done with a will. Otherwise, you cannot do that. Why we should do with a will? Because to reach the top, you must first start climbing, isn't it? Without starting, we cannot finish it. See, standing at the foot, standing at the bottom of the mountain, looking at the sky or gazing something. Can you do? Can you finish the work? Can you climb the hill? No, never. So, what you should do? Without trying to climb, standing at the bottom of the hill or mountain, just looking it, can you fulfill your dream of climbing? What you should do? See here, a great personality, a great woman. Have you seen her? See, who is she? She is Bachendri Paul, the great woman of India, one who climbed the Everest first time. The first woman who climbed the Mount Everest. Don't be disappointed if you fail many times. Even though if you fail many times while doing the work, don't be disappointed. Don't give up. Instead, what you should do? You should try and try again. Then only you will succeed at last. ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ವುಮನ್ who climbed Mount Everest. She is, yes, Bachendri Paul. Here are some successful leaders of cricket field. You can see, recently you might have watched the IPL match. Yes. See the picture here. Who are there in this picture? As a great man of music field, film music field, S.P. Balasubramaniam. He got the Padma Shri Award. He sang many songs, thousands of songs. Our unfortunate, we lost him recently. But he is a successful man in the field of music. By practicing, trying again and again, he got success. Here, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವರು? Who is he? Yes, he is a great personality. He is the great person in cricket. Virat Kohli, yes. They all got this success. Just they tried and again. Only trying is enough? No. We should work with a will. We should not disappoint it. If we disappointed, if we live in the middle, we cannot do the work. We cannot get success. Yes. Let us recall the poem through some questions. Are you ready? This is the question. Drive the nails. Alright, boys. What does the statement mean? Hit the nails with all strength so that it will be firm enough to hold and climb up. Yes, your answer is correct. What is the next one? What will happen if one never tries? If one never tries, one will never be able to achieve their goal. Yes, you said, what you said is correct. What is the next one? When should we try and try again? Yes, your answer is correct. Once you fail to do the work, you should try again and again. This is correct. Yes. The next one is, what should one do to reach the top? Yes, your answer is correct. To reach the top, one should first climb the hill. ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can reach the top. See here, 4 stanzas of the poem. Let us sing one more time. Shall we all together? Yes. Yes, come on, all of you sing with me. Drive the nail, alright boys, hit it on the head. Strike with all your might, boys, while the iron is red. When you have work to do, boys, do it with a will. They who reach the top, boys, first must climb the hill. Standing at the foot, boys, gazing at the sky. How can you get up, boys, if you never try? Though you stumble oft, boys, never be downcast. Try and try again, boys, you will succeed at last. A beautiful poem which you have to remember for our whole life. Again and again I am telling you, please remember all these things. Because you are the children, you have to get success in all your work. Okay, children? Yes. Now, there are some rhyming words in this. You can see that. Yes, here is, in the first stanza, I can see there are 2 rhyming words. Can you find out what are the 2 rhyming words here? Yes. The second line, last word, and the fourth line, last word. What are those words? H-E-A-D, head, or E-D, red. Head, red. Rhyming words. Yes. So, in the same way, in the second stanza also, we have a pair of rhyming words. What are those? Come on, find out it. Yes, you are right. W-I-L-L, will, the second line last word. And the fourth line last word, H-I-L-L, hill. Will, hill. Yes, we got 2 pairs of rhyming words so far. There are some more rhyming words in the poem. What are those? You can search for that here. Yes, what is that? Second line last word, sky, S-K-Y, sky. Fourth line last word, T-R-Y, try. Sky, try. That is a rhyming word. Right. In the 4th paragraph, yes, downcast, last. Both are the same sounds. So, we have 4 pairs of rhyming words. Isn't it? Shall we see that? Head, red. Will, hill. Sky, try. Downcast, last. Here, they have given a good exercise in your textbook, page number 111. You see in the last one, which of the following words or phrases are related to achieving success in life? What is the first word? Persevere. Give up. Work hard. Be lazy. Be active. Lose hope. Aim high. Be positive. Be confident. Never try. Take help from others. Here I am inviting your friend. See, she has come with a list. She will put all the words those related to achieving success in life. Persevere. Second one is work hard. Third one is be active. Fourth one is aim high. Be positive. Be confident. Take help from others. If you want to achieve success in your life, you should follow all these. You should work hard. You should be active. Your goal should be high. The words or phrases that are not related to achieving success in life. What are the words? Lose hope. Never try. Be lazy. Give up. When you are lazy, when you lose hope, when you never try, then what you will do? Definitely, you will give up the work. You can take down all these in your notebook. Yes. Now, let's learn the idioms. Idioms are word combinations that have different meanings than the literal meaning of each word or phrase. ನುಡಿಗಟ್ಟುಗಳು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಕೈ ಕೆಸರಾದರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೊಸರು. ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈ ಕೆಸರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮೊಸರು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀಕ್ ದ ಲಿಟ್ರಲ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸಿ ದ different meaning in it. What are those? Some idioms have given in your textbook. See here. A rolling stone gathers no mass. Where there is a will, there is a way. Manasidare marga. See, if we do the work, if we do with a will, definitely we will succeed. Otherwise, no result, no good result. All that glitters is not gold. ಹೊಳೆಯುವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಬೆಳ್ಳಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ? Like that, in English, we say, all that glitters is not gold. That means, you should gaze it, which is good or which is bad. You should know that all that glitters is not gold. Next one is do or die. That means you are doing the work with all efforts, with might. That means you are having interest. You are showing the interest. You are focusing on that. That means do or die. ಮಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಮಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನಿದು ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You never give up. An idle mind is a devil's workshop. Yes, if you sit silently, if you are lazy in work, you are not doing any work, simply you are sitting, means bad thinkings will start in our mind. So, what is the remedy for that? Always we should be active. We should not sit like an idle. We should not be a lazy person. An idle mind is a devil's workshop. Face is the index of mind. Yes. When you go to school with very bad mood or a happy mood, then your friend will ask, what happened to you? Directly. That means when she is seeing you, she can understand you are happy or unhappy. There is no shortcut to hard work. Yes, of course. ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ all of a sudden nobody will become a big or a rich man. Isn't it? Awake, arise, stop not until you reach your goal. Yes, you should not stop. This is the idiom. ನಾವು ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಗೋಲ್ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡು? ಟ್ರೈ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನಿ idioms. You can get it from your friends, your elders, and in your books also. See what they have asked here in your textbook. Which of the following sayings or proverbs are related to the theme of the poem? So you have to tick them with right and say a few sentences about such of them. You have to tell few sentences. We have done already. Now we have to tick it. Tick right mark, which are the sayings are related to the theme of the poem. What is the theme of the poem? Succeed. A rolling stone gathers no mass. Ali, if the stone is rolling, the mass cannot go. No, that is not for related to the theme. The second one, where there is a will, there is a way. Manasidre marga. Yes, you are right. We can put tick mark there. All that glitters is not gold. That will not related to this poem theme. The next one, do or die. Until I get success, I will not leave it. I will not leave that. Yes, that is correct. An idle mind is a devil's workshop. Does it relates to that? Never. Face is the index of mind. That will also not suit for that. There is no shortcut to hard work. Yes, that is correct. Awake, arise, stop not until you reach your goal. Yes, that is also relates. Good children, you have done very well. Now it is time for the homework. See what you do. List out 10 rhyming words which you know and show it to your teacher. List out 10 rhyming words which you know. 10 rhyming words you have to collect from your elders, friends or in your textbooks and then show it to your teacher. Good children, I hope you have all enjoyed the class today. Thank you. Let's all meet in the next class. I am Lakshmi Shastri, Assistant Mistress, GHPS Chandrapur Circle, Bangalore Urban District. Thank you.